Have you ever found yourself questioning reality, wondering about the true nature of existence? What if I told you that some of the greatest minds in history, Islamic scholars and philosophers, contemplated these very questions centuries ago? Today, we embark on a journey through time and thought, exploring deep philosophical concepts through the lens of Islam. We'll uncover the wisdom of scholars who shaped human understanding and how their teachings continue to influence the world today. Reality, what is it? Are we merely physical beings in a material world? Or is there something beyond? Islamic philosophy offers a profound perspective, one that integrates reason with revelation. The Quran invites us to ponder the signs of creation. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. Surah Fussilat 41:53. This verse alone bridges science, philosophy, and faith. Al-Farabi, one of the greatest Islamic philosophers, viewed reality as a hierarchy, starting from the material world and ascending to the divine. To him, true knowledge wasn't just about understanding the physical, it was about connecting to the metaphysical, the ultimate truth, Allah. Why are we here? What is our purpose? These questions have troubled humanity for millennia, and Islamic thinkers provided profound insights. Imam Al-Ghazali, known as the Proof of Islam, argued that true purpose isn't found in worldly possessions or status, but in knowing Allah. He believed that the heart, when purified, becomes a mirror reflecting divine wisdom. In contrast, Ibn Rushd, our Averroes, balanced reason with faith, asserting that intellect itself is a divine gift meant to lead us toward higher understanding. To him, seeking knowledge wasn't just encouraged, it was an act of worship. This ties back to the Quranic emphasis on knowledge. Say, are those who know equal to those who do not know? Surah Az-Zumar 39:9. The Islamic perspective teaches that life's purpose is a journey, one of knowledge, self-reflection, and submission to the Creator. Do we have free will, or is everything predestined? Islamic scholars have debated this for centuries. The Quran presents both concepts in harmony. Indeed, Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:11. This suggests human responsibility, yet other verses highlight Allah's ultimate control over destiny. Al-Ash'ari, the founder of Ash'arism, proposed a middle path where humans have free will, but it operates within Allah's divine will. This concept is called kasb, or acquisition, meaning we make choices, but Allah creates the outcome. On the other hand, the Mu'tazilites lean more towards human autonomy, emphasizing accountability and justice. Their stance was that Allah's justice necessitates that humans be the true authors of their actions. This discussion remains relevant today, shaping perspectives on morality, ethics, and responsibility. What happens after death? Islamic philosophy sees this life as a bridge to something greater. The material world is temporary, a test, while the hereafter is the ultimate reality. The Quran constantly reminds us of this transition, and the hereafter is better and more lasting. Surah Al-A'la 87:17. But what does that mean for us? Al-Ghazali described the afterlife as a realm of absolute truth, where the veils of illusion are lifted. Our actions, intentions, and faith shape our eternal journey. This perspective isn't just about fear, it's about motivation, about living with awareness, purpose, and striving for excellence. So what can we learn from these philosophical inquiries? Islam doesn't separate reason from faith, it intertwines them. It encourages us to ask, to think, and to seek truth. Whether pondering reality, purpose, destiny, or the afterlife, Islamic philosophy offers profound answers that remain relevant today. Now we pass the question to you. What is the most profound philosophical question you've ever encountered? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more thought-provoking content.